Hello students, today we start the new chapter 4 practical geometry. In this we are going to learn construction of quadrilaterals and types of quadrilaterals. Already we know that quadrilateral is four-sided polygon. It has 4 angles and 2 diagonals. Totally 10 elements are there. But to construct a quadrilateral, we need 5 measurements. We observe that 5 measurements can determine quadrilateral uniquely. Which are the 5 measurements? That 5 measurements are 4 sides and 1 diagonal, or 2 diagonals and 3 sides, or 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles, or 3 sides and 2 included angles, or else the properties of quadrilaterals. Understand? Yeah. How to construct? Let's start now. First I will show you some examples. Look at this figure. When the length of 4 sides and a diagonal are given. Example, construct a quadrilateral PQRS when PQ 4 cm, QR 6 cm, RS 5 cm, PS 5.5 cm and PR 7 cm. Got it? When you draw a rough sketch and mark the given measurements, then only you come to know which are sides and which is diagonal. Got it? Yes, this is the rough sketch of PQRS quadrilateral. PQRS quadrilaterals. Yeah, for all the construction, better you draw the rough figure and mark all the measures given in the question. Understand, children? Yes. Using this rough figure, we can construct a quadrilateral. Yeah, in this way, we should do. Let it be. Yeah. Here, exercise 4.1. There are 4 questions given. First 2 are quadrilaterals. Last 2 are types of quadrilaterals, isn't it? Yes. First one, quadrilateral ABCD. In that AB, BC, CD, AD are 4 sides, but AC is a diagonal. So, it is belongs to 4 sides and 1 diagonal category. So, count it, how many measures are given? Yes, totally 5 measurements. Yeah, like this, using a scale, but don't take any measurements. Okay, just you draw a quadrilateral, name it and write the given measures. You write neatly because here less space is there, so in little space I have written list like this. You write neatly. Got it? Yes, now I am going to clear this rough figure since I have less space. Yes, according to rough figure, first we are going to construct triangle ABC. Got it? Triangle ABC. To construct a triangle, we need 3 elements. Okay, but to construct a quadrilateral, we need 5 elements. Okay, don't confuse with both. Okay, yes. Now, to construct triangle ABC, we are having 3 sides. AB 4.5 cm, BC 5.5 cm and AC 7 cm. Yeah, already you know how to construct a triangle, right? Now I am going to construct triangle ABC with the AB as base. AB 4.5 centimeter. 5 centimeter I drawn. 4.5 centimeter. Got it? It is AB. Next, BC 5.5 centimeter. Now adjust the compass into 5.5 centimeter. Okay. Before that, we will name this line segment. First base we draw, no. We'll name this as AB. Yeah. Yes. 5.5. Yes. B as center. 5.5 centimeter as radius. Draw an arc. Okay. First arc, let it be little lengthy. Okay. Yes. Next, AC diagonal. Its measure is 7 centimeter. Yes, in this way you measure the length 7 centimeter. This diagonal length 7 centimeter using the scale. A as center, cut that previous arc. Yeah, it is properly not cutting, so we will extend the previous arc. Yeah. Now these two arcs meet at a point. Here it is. Give the name as C. Yes, using the scale we will join. Now we'll join AC and BC. Yes, now got our required triangle ABC. Next, remaining two sides AD and CD. AD measure AD is 4 centimeter, isn't it? What is the measure of AD? Yeah, sorry, AD 6 centimeter and CD 4 centimeter. Yes. Now using the scale we'll measure CD 4 centimeter. Yes, we measure CD is 4 centimeter, right? So C as center, one second. Centimeter. C as center, draw an arc. Okay, next AD 6 centimeter. Adjust the compass. Yes, 6 centimeter. A as center, draw an arc. Got it? Yes. Now using the scale, these two arcs are meet at a point, no? Yeah, from there you should name that point, that is two arcs are intersecting at a point, you name as D. Okay, it is D. Using the scale, join ED this is our required quadrilateral ABCD. You write all the measures on the sides. Yes, draw it. Try second one as homework. Next problems we will continue in the next class.